To create, market, and grow an online business is hard. You've got to find the right niche, attract customers, learn marketing, manage time, build a team, track analytics, optimize conversions, and the list goes on. It can be a little overwhelming, and it's not easier when the entire world is living through a pandemic. Whether you launch a clothing line, an e-commerce store, business coaching, or personal branding, you need the right tools. Why reinvent the wheel? It would be great if we could learn from the success or failure of others. Then you could grow faster, reduce your risk, and make more money. So when I learned that more than 23 of the world's top work-from-home experts were coming together to hand out their training 100% free, I was like, say what? This needed to be checked out by me now, and I discovered that they were literally including everything from software to apps, training, and more. Tools for video marketing, PLR, traffic generation, holiday marketing, and a whole bunch of insight for making money online. Let's face it, this past year has shown the importance of the shared economy and working together. So in that spirit, I added my own offer to this awesome collection and said, let's make this happen for the collective good of entrepreneurs everywhere. So now what? How do we give access to the people that need and want these tools? Well, here's the good news. There's a special site you can visit and claim the gifts if you act quickly. I'm not sure when the special giveaway expires, but it is up now. And if you or someone you know is thinking about working from home, making money online, or growing your business, then you may be interested in getting access to like $100,000 in online training products for free. If that's you, then be sure to check out my link in the comments. Happy scaling!